Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about the Force token and why you should buy this token and why the Force will be with you with this token. You will understand after watching this video. Let's have a look what they offer us. For sure, it is on Binance Smart Chain. This token, you can buy this token on PancakeSwap. They have a Telegram group. We will look also at the end of the video on these groups. About the Force token, a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, Darth Dev rug pulled the wrong nerds. The clone wars have begun. We are the holders who chose to rebel against scammers. Join the Force and strike back at rug-pulling devs. The vision. The Force is a meme coin which started as a clone of a previous BSC token. That crypto upgraded to a new contract and stole previous funds for the dev. After doing 1000x in less than one a day, their devs dumped it back down in less than 1 hour. We've band together to rebel against that evil empire. Our goal is to accomplish what the original promised, but with 100% honesty and transparency. We have cloned the 10% deflationary tax and one max supply from the previous crypto, this time without the stealing dev. Our team leader is locking liquidity for a year, renouncing ownership and fair launching 98% of JEDI onto PancakeSwap. JEDI is the token of the Force token. We hope our token brings awareness to rug pulls, the devs who steal those funds, and why building a crypto without scamming is better. So guys, you see here some promises from the founders of this meme token, and it sounds quite nice, but it's just one maximum supply, and of course it is unusual, but why not? 10% tax on every transaction, 6% liquidity, 2% reflections, 2% marketing funds. It is okay, 2% marketing. Why not a little bit more? Because people have to know you. If you have the best product, if they don't know you, they cannot buy it, right? So a little bit more marketing will be better, at least. This is just my point of view. We have a 2% of supply for marketing funds, yes, and 98% of supply per launch on PancakeSwap. 100% meme coin launched at 3,000 market cap. Now we have a little bit more. We will look at the end of the video. Stealth launch, ownership renounced, liquidity burned. The roadmap. For sure, the token creation and so on, you already understand it, guys, what people have to do to launch a coin. Most of you know it. And they are now pre-listed. That means they are now on this point here. This line shows you the point they are. And they are now pre-listed. That means you have a big chance to make you some profits still with this token. And it doesn't matter, it's just how one supply. That doesn't mean it's totally sold out, right? It just means they just have maximum one supply. So then you have to buy like Bitcoin, 0.000 whatever part of this token to have a part of it, right? So don't be afraid of this one maximum supply. And it is pre-listed. That means if this token get listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and they will get listed for sure, because it is unusual, this one supply, and people will see it and people will follow it more up, this token, because it's quite limited, right? And if this thing get listed, 100x for sure, guys. Why not? 100x for sure. Why Force token? Again, they show the reasons. Transparency from developers. We promise to take every step to secure your trust. That includes locking liquidity, renouncing ownership, and using the 2% team fund for marketing and development. Hyper deflationary. A 10% tax is charged on every transaction, 6% to liquidity, 2% reflection to JEDI holders. Just keep that tokens and you will have more of it. Okay? That tokens, sorry, that part of that big token. Don't get me wrong. 2% to the marketing wallet. Community driven and distributed. The force will be 98% fair launch on PancakeSwap and liquidity lock to reward those rebels. Low supply, there will be never more than one JEDI token. Use yours wisely. So let's have a look on the social channel, on the socials. They have a Telegram group for sure with 210 members right now. It is very fresh project, just a couple of days now on the blockchain, and they have for sure Twitter account if you want to follow them here, or on Reddit. They are also on Reddit. And let's have a look the price of this one token. It was very high, and we have here this massive pump and dump reaction. It's everywhere. It's in every meme token. You have it, and you have now the chance to buy it very low, at the low price. And you can see at the beginning what kind of massive pump here was. Yes, and it will be. We have here 100x. If you look here, we can easily reach here 100x after it get listed, right? After it get listed, 10x, no problem. 10x, you are here. At this point, it's easily 10x after listing, easily. But I would say even 100x, because this one maximum supply is very rare, and people will ask themselves why, right? And this makes it quite interesting. So guys, what do you think about this project, the Force token? Is the Force with you or not? Tell me down into the comments what you think about this project. Leave me a like, or leave a like for the Force, the project, the JEDI project, the JEDI token. You want to be a JEDI? Then invest in this token. You want that the Force will be with you? Then do it. You have now the chance for 100x right now. Don't cry if you miss this chance after listing, right? That's why I tell you now. It's a pre-listed token. It's your chance. Tell me what you think about it. Leave me a like and maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see every day the newest and the hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits with JEDI token, with the Force. And see you later, alligator. Bye guys.